Distribute the high nutrition feed evenly now.
Yes, they are very active this morning with the sunrise.
Okay, guide the larger one to channel 3.
Got it. Pushing them left now.
Send the small ones left.
Okay, moving them now.
Watch the large group center right.
We ensure a smooth transition for the stingrays. After the transfer, we meticulously clean the holding tanks using high-pressure filtration systems.
This specialized cleaning tank utilizes an advanced mist solution, keeping the rays healthy in a perfectly sterile environment.
Okay, lift gently.
I've got the mesh secure.
Clear the tail, slowly up now.
Commencing microneedle insertion. Biometric stable. Vial 1 successfully processed and secured for cold storage. A critical delivery of the Stingray Immune Serum, maintained at precise temperatures and ready to save lives.
Dr. Anya Sharma, please report to the intensive care unit. Pathology results are ready for review in Lab 3.